particular, I'm actually a graduate of Indigenous People and the World-SDG Goal 13 Batch 2. And so through this, I've just learned so much. And it's really a different experience to really learn and to really listen to our Indigenous brothers and sisters. From my group members who are actually youths from Bukidnon, Indigenous youths from Bukidnon, I have learned how they are so eager for intergenerational and interregional dialogue. I've seen how faith is really expressed through their everyday yearnings to grow in terms of their education so that they could really be an impactful and positive force within their tribes. And so it would be an honor to have you with us, and we look forward to having more youth leaders so that we could easily, or not necessarily easily, but we could truly look forward to a more inclusive and loving Philippines. We need a more just and more loving nation, and yes, even that of the world, that would really include our Indigenous brothers and sisters. Thank you.